Right, weather's cleared a bit now. A bit windy, but it's alright, so I'm back at my truck. What I'm going to do today is take the bench seat back out, that was just putting temporary, and then clean the floors and get some sound deadening pads. I've got these sound deadening pads, put one in each. Then I've got some underlay, and I've got the carpet back in it. So that is the plan. They're only 10s and I've got a 13 socket. Oh! Anyway, flip this bench seat out. Right, I've got this lady to lift it, but I'm going to score all the floor. I can't lift it myself, it's just awkward. Or can I? Try again. Totally damaging the flare. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll leave it in there. Somebody's seeing I got to lift it with that. Right. Can't get that bench seat in until I get a lift, but what I've done is I've hoovered out the floor pans. They're mint like, and the guy when I got it all welded, he treated them and painted them and took off the original soundproofing, beated them into shape. You had to do a right repair over at the driver's corner, but I'll get these soundproofing mats now. Took the right backing off. Let's sit down a minute, see if I get this to peel. I'll try it in first actually. Right, something like that. Across the way. Across the way probably better. Right across the middle. Peel the back off this one. Oh! Get that in a minute. Something like that, I think. Stuck there. Got a squint. There you go. See it the other side. Right, I've got this stuff. This is like foam. We cut this into strips, put it in the floor pan. Carpet's in there. My pal's coming in and get my hand to lift out the bench seat. I'll have to go into this and try and find a pair of scissors. Right, I've got the bench seat out now, as I say, so I'll give all this a hoover. It's just the front button down there. I've not got scissors yet, but I'll get them. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I've got some cardboard here to make templates. I'll get a better pair of scissors. I'll come back to this. So I can do it now. I'll get a bit of cardboard, I'll do a better job. It's a few days later. I now have a decent pair of scissors and some cardboard. I'm just going to take this cardboard off, this joint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a template in the passenger floor pan. So I'll just leave the cardboard as I'll work from the passenger because the driver's side will be smaller because it only goes as far as the pedal box. So I'll do this in here and get some foam cut. I've cut a bit of cardboard, put it in the floor pan. I can go and transfer this, cut a bit of the foam and then underlay it and see how I'm going to work it. Right, got this piece of cardboard on top of this bit of foam. I'm just going to use it as a template and try and cut along the line. I'll do it right the way up and get a big strip of it and then cut it to length and see how it goes. Right, I've got it in loosely. I just need to trim it now. I've got it in 2 bits. Adjust it a wee bit. I'm going to get a coffee. And I'll come back and finish it off. Right, let's need to get the carpet back in. It's better at this side because I've got more access to this side. There's a few tatters in the corners, but it's always been like, I knew that since I bought it, but it'll do fine now. The other side, I'll get that pushed into the corners and stuff. Can't get that door open where it is here in the carport. It started raining, so I'm not pushing it, but that's good. Next time I come at it, I'll get it finished and get it pushed out and see if I need to stick it down in the middle or anything or not. I pulled this off the back. I wasn't sure if I was doing the right thing, but I think I have. That's the original matting, you know, soundproofing. I use different stuff, different underlay stuff, so. But I will see. Right, that'll do it now. Right, I've got my truck back out. It's another day, sun's out. Just at the carpet on the driver's side. I'm just trying to decide whether to stick it down to the underlay. Because it's stuck to the old underlay. I don't know. I'll see if I fit it in some of the twangs at the top. See what it's like with the. Because there's mats going in it, It's quite tatted, the carpet, like, but I'll do it now. The mats will cover that up. That's what it is, yeah. And decide what I'm doing with this bit under the seat. The two carpet bits go in the corners, like, but I'll get them in a minute. I'll go and get them now. That's it all in place where it kind of needs to be. I put the trims back on, the kick plates back on. These carpet bits, they're just sitting in there. I think they were just stuck before, but I decided what I'll do with this bit under the seat yet. Just to leave that, paint it black. I gotta leave it now, because the seat will be coming back out anyway to get repaired in the winter. So yeah, I gotta leave it now, and I'll just pull the seat back in and go back to it another day. Just gonna guess I hoover it. I do have some stick-on black soundproof and stuff that I was going to experiment with for there, but it's not what it is, and I can't spend any more time looking for it. It's not in my life, kind of find what I've got, but I'll better put the chair back in anyway, because it'll be coming back out. I'm going to get all a good hoover. Anyway, I say I might have to go back to the carpet if it annoys anybody, annoys myself under my feet moving, and stick it in, but we'll see. I'm just going back down at my pickup. I stopped there for a couple of hours because it was too warm. Did you believe that? That is the middle of summer in Scotland, mind you. My pal was in there, so I got him to help me lift this bench seat back in. I've not got it in position, I've got it forward because I'm going to clean the bulkhead. I should have done it before I came. But I'm going to clean it with these wipes, so I'll do that. And I'll get the seat in position. As I say, I'll be coming back out to get repaired, but we'll get this bit in the back there cleaned first. Right, that's interior all back together. Like that, I said, I got the cap for the steering wheel, but when we take it out this first test drive, I'll stick it straight to a bar with me. Battery clamps up there. I'm going to change that bolt, put a panhead bolt for that. So the seat will be coming back out again to get repaired. Bit there, and that's another bit there. I didn't know this before, but and we need to get the head go off and stuff, and these risers properly cleaned, but they're all minging. It's a 40-year-old work truck, so I'll clean it best I can, and then if you can get somebody in to do it. So that'll be. Yeah, that'll do now.